There is a moment after she leaves, when everything becomes quiet. No notifications, no messages, no one asking where you are or how your day went, just silence. And in that silence, you finally meet yourself. Not the version of you that existed when she was there, but the real version, the one you avoided, the one you distracted yourself from becoming. Most men think losing her is the painful part, but the truth is, losing her simply reveals what was already broken inside you. And if you understand what this moment is trying to teach you, it will not destroy you. It will rebuild you. Here are the 5 lessons her leaving was meant to teach you. Lesson 1. You didn't just lose her. You lost who you thought you were becoming. When she was in your life, you weren't just living in the present. You were living in a future you imagined. You saw growth. You saw purpose. You saw yourself becoming someone better. With her beside you, she wasn't just part of your life. She became part of your identity. So when she left, it wasn't just her presence that disappeared. It was that imagined future. And that's why it hurts so deeply, because now you're forced to face a question you avoided. Who are you without her? And that question is uncomfortable, but it is also powerful, because now, for the first time, you can build yourself without depending on anyone else. Lesson 2. Her absence reveals where you made her your source of worth. Be honest with yourself. How much of your confidence came from her attention? Her messages made you feel important. Her approval made you feel valuable. Her presence made you feel complete. And without realizing it, you slowly gave her control over how you felt about yourself. So when she left, it didn't just remove her. It removed the emotional support system you were leaning on. And now you feel unstable. Not because you are weak, but because you forgot how to stand on your own. This is where most men make a mistake. They rush to replace her. They look for someone new to fill the void. But real strength comes when you stop looking for validation and start becoming someone you respect. Not for her, not for anyone, but for yourself. Lesson 3. She didn't leave suddenly. She left slowly. To you, it felt instant. One conversation, one moment, one goodbye. But to her, it was a process. A slow emotional withdrawal. Small disappointments. Moments she felt unheard. Moments she felt alone. Even when you were there, while you believed everything was fine, she was quietly detaching. This isn't about blaming yourself. It's about understanding something important. Relationships don't break in one moment. They break in small moments that go unnoticed. This lesson will change how you show up in every future relationship. You will stop taking presence for granted. You will stop assuming silence means peace. And you will start valuing connection while you still have it. Lesson 4. Pain can make you bitter, or it can make you wise. After she leaves, your mind looks for someone to blame. Maybe her, maybe yourself, maybe love itself. Bitterness feels easy, but bitterness is weakness disguised as strength. Wisdom comes from reflection. Ask yourself honestly, what did you ignore? Where did you abandon yourself? Where did you tolerate what you shouldn't have? And where did you fail to grow? This is not about guilt. This is about awareness. Because awareness gives you power. Power to choose better next time. Power to become stronger next time. Power to never lose yourself again. Lesson 5. Her leaving was not the end of you. It was the beginning. Right now, it feels like something was taken from you. But in reality, something was returned to you. Your independence, your focus, your potential. Her leaving removed the distraction. Now you can see clearly. Now you can rebuild. Now you can become someone stronger than you ever were before. Not because she stayed, but because she didn't. One day, you will look back at this moment, and instead of seeing it as the day you lost her, you will see it as the day you found yourself. Her leaving didn't ruin your life, it revealed it. So don't chase her, don't beg, don't try to go back, go forward. Become someone so strong that losing you becomes her biggest regret. Not because you needed her, but because you no longer need anyone to complete you.